And then, do you want to hang it up to dry and come back and get it, or do you want to take it with you now?
I'm gonna take it.
Take it now? Okay. Do you want to make it into a butterfly later? Okay, so I'm going to give this to you, and you can draw a little face on it real quick. And then, do you want one color or two? Just one? Which color do you want? Purple? I love it. Okay. And I'll kind of hold this up so maybe it'll dry a little bit. I'll hold it up while you... You are so welcome.
Hello, hello. Hi. Would y'all like to hear more about foster care in Arkansas? All right. So, we're an organization called The Call. We're a private Christian group that specializes in
There you go.
training
And then
supporting foster
if whenever it dries a little bit, or we can do it now. Let's do it now.
Understand what it means to be a foster family, how to get involved.
You kind of squish it up.
That process. And then on the back
And then, which side did you put your stuff on? That side?
I'm excited in.
Oh, I love the little squiggles.
Families feel alone. They feel like no one there.
Alright, and then you fold that in half,
They're slammed.
and then you stick it in here,
Come in, grab a frozen meal. I'll grab a freezer.
and then you can curl the antennas like that,
We have 2 close closets.
or you can make them kind of like wind up, kind of like this.
Completely free of charge.
So it's whatever you want to do.
Maybe they got placed with a 3-year-old. They come in, grab what they need, and maybe a few months later they get an 8-year-old. Well, those clothes for the 3-year-old don't fit anymore. Need 8-year-old clothes. We have those. They can just come in and grab what they need. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Feel free to take a sticker if you'd like. We have some pamphlets with some more information.
Yeah, that's awesome.